Alright, so here is the monkey, and now we want to play a death animation. Okay, so the monkey has to be able to die. Okay, for the monkey to die, we're going to need an animation. Okay, so which we are going to get from the from our assets marketplace. Here is the animation pack we're going to use for this example. Just add it to your project. It's free. Here is our animation pack. Let me find the skeleton for this. And I'm going to delete it. Okay, we're going to use the other mannequin skeleton. Replace references. There we go. So now you can see that nothing happens. It didn't change anything. Alright, so let's begin. So let's create a volume. Okay, it's gonna be a trigger volume or trigger box, anything you want to use. Trigger box is fine. Make it bigger. You don't have to. It will make things a lot easier though. Let's open the level blueprint. Here it is. And the first thing we want is a collision with the monkey. Okay, so on collision, actor begin overlap. If that happens, we want to disable the input. So let's find disable input. Disable input. And simply plug it here. There we go. So if we collide with the box, that is going to disable our controller. Play it. And that did not work. Okay, so the reason it didn't work is because we need a target. Okay, so the monkey is the target. Select the monkey, right click, and create a target. So the target is not the trigger box, but the side scroller controller. My mistake there. Okay, so now if we touch that, it will disable the controller. So we know this works now, so let's play an animation instead. Or maybe we can just add it to this. Okay, so right click, let's find play animation. Okay, now you won't find it like this, you have to take out this checkbox. There we go. Connected to this, we need a target. Select the monkey. And check the checkbox box again. Bring out a reference for the monkey. And connect it to the target. So now we just need an animation. See, we're going to select Death 2. Okay, compile this and let's play it. It stopped. Okay, let me just go back here again. Wait a second. Let me find the death animation and duplicate it and assign it to this monkey. Okay, I'm going to rename this to Death 2X. Save it. And let's go back to our blueprint. And we're going to find Death 2X, which is right here. Which has been assigned to our monkey. Yeah, if you want more animations, you just have to assign them. Okay, so let's try it now. And he dies. Wah wah wah. Let me try this again. There you go. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also there is a bell next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell. So in the next video we are going to make our game restart when the character dies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.